In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common error message, Linkvertise this site can't be reached. This is a frequently encountered problem that can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to get it resolved. Let's start with the basics. Sometimes the simplest solutions turn out to be the most effective, so before diving into technical tweaks, it's best to first check your internet connection. Begin by turning your Wi-Fi off and then back on again. This can help refresh the connection, eliminating minor disruptions. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is to restart your router. Simply switch it off, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it back on. This helps clear any underlying connectivity issues. If you're still experiencing difficulties, try connecting via a mobile hotspot or use mobile data. Doing so can help determine if the issue is tied to your local network. After trying mobile data, reload the site once again to see if it resolves the problem. Another potential blocker could be the usage of VPNs or proxy settings, which sometimes interfere with site access. Try disabling any VPN or proxy you have enabled and then reload the site. This might help resolve the issue, as certain sites can restrict access from known VPN or proxy servers. Now, if the site loads when using mobile data but not when connected to your Wi-Fi, the culprit is likely your internet service provider or router's DNS settings. In this case, consider contacting your ISP for support, or look into manually changing your DNS settings to a more reliable service like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Understanding the common causes of such errors can also be beneficial. If you encounter an ERR connection timed out message, it typically points to an ISP or network issue. This implies there could be a problem with the server connection due to network configurations or interruptions at your service provider's end. You might encounter a temporary slowdown or timeout, which should resolve once network conditions improve, but if it persists, reaching out to your ISP for assistance is recommended. Remember, while these steps are fairly straightforward, patience is key. After each adjustment, be sure to give your device a moment to establish a stable connection before checking if the problem is resolved. By following these tips, you should be able to overcome the issue and access Linkvertise without further trouble. If all else fails, contacting your ISP for additional help may be necessary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful troubleshooting guides.